This conference will now be recorded.
দেবজ্যোতি শোনা যাচ্ছে? আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ মেঘনা. Let's move ahead. So what was the project that we started in the previous class? Did anybody remember what was the project that we started in the previous class? What project did we start in the previous class? We completed smart dustbin. দাঁড়াও এক সেকেন্ড. Wait, let me see. আচ্ছা, ময়েশ্চার সেন্সিং, ঠিক ঠিক, একদম পারফেক্ট. Moisture sensing complete. Thank you. So moisture sensing, I think কোডটা আমি মনে হয় লিখে ফেলেছি. I wrote the code. Threshold, yes, I wrote the code, right? I wrote the code, and this was the API key. So the whole thing is complete. I think the code is complete fully. আচ্ছা দেখো, এখানে psy লোড করেছি, এখানে payload হবে, payload. So it is completed. Let me first compile the code first. Let me first compile the code. আচ্ছা দেবজ্যোতি, আমি কার ইমেল নিয়ে আমি ইয়ে বানিয়েছিলাম মনে আছে দেবজ্যোতি? আচ্ছা দীপ্তশ্রী, আচ্ছা ও আছে কোথায়? আর তো ইউজার আইডি পাসওয়ার্ড তো আর আমার মনেও নেই. আই ডিডন্ট রিমেম্বার অ্যাকচুয়ালি. I didn't remember actually. Now, so you take Debojyoti, you take that email ID and that say tell him to give that email ID, just email ID. Okay, for this asksensors.com. Tell him to give the username. Tell him please. So the coding has been completed, and I just need that username just to log in into asksensors.com. So ask sensors, wait. Ask sensors. So I will click on this ask sensors IoT platform, and after clicking on this ask sensors, so oh Diptoshi, oh it is already login. দাঁড়াও এখানে login আছে. It is already login. Wait, leave. It is already login. লগ আউট করিনি আমি, সে কি গো. So let's click on my workspace. ভেরি নাইস. এটা লগ ইন মানে এটা ভালো হয়েছে, লগ আউট করিনি আমি. Okay, we'll click on sensor devices. We'll click on sensor devices. Yeah, আবার চাইছে email ID and password. Okay. Wait. So we have to take the yet and no user edit and it is not allowing to log in. Expire করে গেছে. हेलो हेलो दीप्तोशिक। হ্যাঁ, ওই আগের দিন এই asksensors.com এ যে ইমেল আইডি আর যে ইয়েটা বানিয়েছিলাম, তোমাকে ডিটেলটা পাঠিয়েছিলাম, ঠিক আছে? ওই ডিটেলটা আমাকে পাঠাও তুমি, ইয়েতে চ্যাটে পার্সোনালি পাঠাও ওটা। ওকে, ওকে, আই গট দিস। দাঁড়াও, পাসওয়ার্ডটা ছিল, হুম, ঠিক আছে। ওহো, একটু ক্লিক অন লগ ইন। Click on login. So we are just clicking on login, then we'll click on sensor devices. Okay, so visualize, we are going to click on visualize. We are going to click on visualize. So this is the sensor, or this is the data visualization graph. Now এখানে API key is starting from 2y and ending at S5. So এটাই নিয়েছি তো, 2y and S5. Okay, so our code is ready. I just need to write down the password for this particular geo5. This password for this geo5. But I have to look for the password. দাঁড়াও, পাসওয়ার্ডটা দেখি কোথায় আছে। দাঁড়াও, okay, I have to look for the password. So here must have, wait, just a second. So wait, just let me have a look. Okay, actually I forgot the password. Wait, দাঁড়াও, wait, I just need to, ছিল। Okay, I got the password. So done, I pasted the password in the code. Now the next task, what is our next task? Our next task is to upload the code into the board. Upload the code into the board. Which board? Node MCU. Node MCU, ESP8266, Node MCU. Okay, wait just a second. Wait for 2 minutes. I have to bring the Node MCU board, and we require a soil moisture sensor. We require a soil moisture sensor. Okay, so I will turn off the webcam. Webcam I will turn on and I will show you. I will show you this particular soil moisture sensor. Just a second. Hello. Hello. Okay, so I have brought the soil moisture sensor as well as the amplifier and the Node MCU. Now, my first task will be to upload the code into the Node MCU. Okay, I will upload the code into the Node MCU. Let me upload it first. Let me upload it first. So I simply uploaded the code into the board. So first you need to do what? You need to go to the tools. Then you have to select for Node MCU, whether Node MCU is selected or not. Let's see whether Node MCU is selected or not. Node MCU 1.0 is selected. Port common port 4 is selected. Okay, done. चलो upload करो board में. Board में upload करो. Okay, fine. Perfect. So the code has been uploaded to the board. It has been successfully uploaded to the board. Now the next task is, what is the next task? The next task is I will show you how to connect this soil moisture sensor. How to connect this soil moisture sensor. But we have to first look that this soil moisture sensor, whether we are working with the analog pin or we are working with the digital pin, that we have to look for. Okay, so let's go to the code. So let's see the code. So here we can see that in void setup, এখানে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি we are reading the analog read. দেখো analog read, right? We are going for the analog read. So let me switch on the camera. Let me switch on the camera first. Okay, can you see me, everybody? দেখতে পাচ্ছো? Okay, so wait, let me show you. So this is the soil moisture sensor. This is the soil moisture sensor, the fork, the probe, you can say, the soil moisture sensor. It has got 2 pins, and this is the analog to digital converter. This is the analog to digital converter. Okay, so simply 2 wires from here is going to be connected to this particular analog to digital converter. See, very simple, very simple. Wait, very simple. So I will take 2 wires. So 2 wires from this particular soil moisture sensor, 2 wires from this particular soil moisture sensor, and directly into the, and it will go directly into the, so it has been connected. Just have a look. So soil moisture sensor and analog to digital converter. Okay, both has been connected. Simply just connect the soil moisture sensor and the analog to digital converter. That's it, done, completed. Okay. Now here we have got 4 वायर, यहाँ पर देखिए 4 वायर है, 4 मतलब वायर लगेगा यहाँ पर 4 वायर। लेकिन सबसे पहला जो है वो है आपका VCC के लिए। तो VCC we will connect it directly to node MCU 3.3 volt. So VCC connect it to node MCU, this node MCU, okay, this node MCU 3.3 volt. So I will connect it to 3.3 volt. Done. The next pin that is present over here is ground. Ground. So ground. The moment we just connect this, we'll get the power inside this. Just have a look. We'll get the power inside this. Okay. So we have connected it to one to the 3.3 volt VCC to 3.3 and the other part to the ground. So this has been successfully connected. Next two pin is D0 and A0. So as you can see here, that it is for analog read. It is for analog read, means read the analog. Okay, not the digital one. That means we are going to connect only the analog pin, but not the digital one. Got the point? So we will connect only the analog pin and not the digital one, but I don't have the wire over here. So just a second, I just need to bring the wire. I have to switch off the camera for a moment. I have to switch off the camera for a moment. Okay, so we connected. Okay, done. So just do one thing. Let's see. So I connected this A0. I connected this A0. I connected this A0 to A0 of node MCU. Okay. Now let's go to the C. Just have a look. It is already getting red. Okay, I will take some water. I will take some water and I will dip this inside the water. Okay, I will dip this inside the water. So I have got water over here. Wait, just a second. Just a second. Okay, so I have brought some water and I will just take this and I will dip it inside this water and just I am dipping the soil moisture sensor inside the water. Just have a look at the graph. Just have a look at the graph. Just have a look at the graph. It will take at least minimum of 20 seconds to upload the value. So we have to wait for a bit. We have to wait for a bit. Just a second. So the next graph will be plotted. Okay, just have a look. Just have a look. Okay, just have a look. So this is the scenario. Now we are going to make a little bit change in the code. We are going to make a little bit of change in the code. The thing is that we divided it by 10. We are not going to divide it by 10. Or Since it is divided by 10, then we need to, that means we are finding it in a percentage, we need to edit this. We need to edit this. We have to edit this. We have made a mistake. Edit. Wait. Edit sensor. We have to edit this. Wait. এটা আমাদের ভুল হয়েছিল। So edit. We need to edit this. Okay, save changes. We need to delete the sensor. Delete the sensor. We need to delete the sensor. Okay, I'm going to add a new sensor. Wait, let me add a new sensor. So the name of the soil moisture sensor data, description if you feel you can give, if you don't, just leave it. Add modules, just go for edit, module 1, save changes, and just click on save. Just click on save. So the API key has changed, and I need to copy this API key. I need to copy this API key, and I need to paste this API key over here. I need to paste this API key over here. Save this. Okay, now edit the sensor. No, not required. Modules, add graph. Okay, it's going to be line plot. Module 1, x-axis is going to be duration, y-axis is going to be the moisture content. Result, we are going to take around 60 results. Okay, the minimum is going to be 0, the maximum is going to be 100. Save it. Okay, let's see the graph first. Okay, the graph has been plotted, right? Now I need to upload the code into the board. So click on this. Click on this. Click on this. Let the code get uploaded to the board. It will take some time and the code will get uploaded. Wait, just a second. Since it has been uploaded, the code has been uploaded. Let's move here. चलो यहाँ पर आते हैं. यहाँ पर आते हैं. Let's see. Okay, one plot. We got one plot. Net content. Again, I will just put it inside, dip it inside water. I'm just dipping the soil moisture sensor inside water. As you can see, I'm dipping it inside water. Let's read the moisture content. Let it read the moisture content. Then we will see actually what is the plot. Let's see the plot. It requires, see, just have a look at this plot. Moisture content is full. Just have a look. Just look at the graph. Again, we have to wait for 20 seconds. We have to wait for 20 seconds. Okay, we have to wait for 20 seconds. Just have a look. Just have a look. This is the moisture content. This is the moisture content, 44. 44. I dipped the whole soil moisture sensor inside the water. I dipped the whole soil moisture sensor inside the water. The whole soil moisture sensor inside the water. Let's see what happens. Let's see what's happening. Again, it's showing 44. Okay. I just put it out of the water. Just put it out of the water. Let's see what is the moisture content that we are getting it. Let's see. I hope definitely the value is going to change. Just a second. Just a second. Let's wait for 20 seconds. Okay, the page is not refreshing. Let me refresh the page. Okay, let me refresh the page. Let me refresh the page a bit. Okay, so this is the graph. Still we are getting this only. Okay, let me dip it inside the water once again. See, the graph is changing. So it is taking more than 20 seconds actually to send the data. Maybe this is due to the internet connectivity or whatever you can say. Okay, so this is actually the lag, right? This is also a problem of IoT. You can say, see, the moisture content is sending, is changing it. Okay, again I took it out of the water. So first the graph is going to go up, then it will go down again because the previous recording has not, previous rating has not been recorded. Latency, yes, latency. Debojyoti, it's called latency. Latency. This is the problem of IoT. Okay, so I just took it out, the soil moisture sensor outside the water. Now let's see what the graph is going to say. See, the moisture content is high, but this is not this one. Not now. I have to put it out right now, but this is not this one. It is the previous recording. The previous recording of the moisture. Okay. Now the recording which you will get will be the moisture level when I took this out of water. See, the moisture level is decreasing. See, the moisture level is decreasing. I just try to remove all the water over here from this soil moisture sensor and let's see what output we are getting or what is the value we are getting. Okay, still the soil moisture sensor data is saying high. Wait, let me just rub the water, rub all the water from here. Wait. So I rubbed all the water I just rubbed it out. Okay, let's see what is going to be the soil moisture. Wait. এটা টোটালি ডিপেন্ড করছে আপলোডিং দ্য ডেটা টু দ্য ক্লাউড। এটা হচ্ছে ফ্রি ভার্সন, এটাতে যত ল্যাটেন্সি হওয়ার দরকার তার থেকে বেশি হবে কিন্তু রিমেম্বার দিস। সি लेट मी सी व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम। लेट मी सी, दाঁড়াও আমাকে দেখতে দাও प्रॉब्लम क्या है इधर, मुझे देखने दीजिए। ठीक है, मुझे देखने दीजिए प्रॉब्लम क्या है। देखिए ग्राफ जो आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पर स्क्रीन पर, देखो अभी भी ग्राफ दिख रहा है। ठीक है, अभी भी ग्राफ दिख रहा है आपका यहाँ पर। तो ये कौन सा डेटा सेंड कर रहा है अभी तक तो हम लोग समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं, बट जनरली जो भी डेटा है, वट एवर डेटा इट इज सेंडिंग, एज वी कैन सी that yes, see the moisture content is decreasing. I think this one just now, see it is sending of 1747। देखो 1747 मतलब 547 का डेटा भेज रहा है। ये अभी कितना टाइम हो रहा है, 547, ये अभी का डेटा है, ये अभी का डेटा है। अगेन देखो मैंने वाटर में रखा तो ये वाटर कंटेंट देखो इंक्रीज कर गया है, मैंने वाटर में रखा तो ये मॉइस्चर लेवल इंक्रीज कर गया, इंक्रीज्ड। Okay, again I take it out of the water and just soak it into the towel a bit so that all the moisture has been removed. Now let's see, let us see now. Okay, see again it is decreasing, again it is decreasing. So now it will keep on decreasing. Okay, as you can see that I have put the soil moisture sensor out of the water, now it will decrease. No, the moisture is not going to increase anymore because I have put it out of the water. I'm not going to put it inside water anymore. Got the point? So again it's increasing. এখনো ময়েশ্চার লেগে আছে নাকি এটাতে, এরকম তো হওয়ার কথা নয়। think there is still water on this. Let me put it on the computer itself. Let us see. Let us wait for a few seconds. Wait. Okay, same record niche to. Okay, same record niche. Wait. Let me put it inside the water. Let me put it inside water. Let's see. So I put it inside water. So we have put it inside water. আচ্ছা দাঁড়াও প্রোগ্রামটাই আমরা লিখেছি এবার দাঁড়াও ময়েশ্চার কন্টেন্ট রিকোয়ার্ড আছে কিনা দাঁড়াও just a second. See, it is soaked inside water. The graph is moving down. Okay. Still it is inside water, but it is giving the graph is moving up. Our graph down move করছে again it is moving down. Again it is moving down. Okay, the graph has moved up. ठीक है एकदम करेक्ट है ठीक है it is out of water. Let us see the next reading. ডেটা কালেক্ট হচ্ছে ঠিকঠাক আবার ডেটা কালেক্ট হতে দেরি হচ্ছে Okay, the next data has also been collected. ঠিক আছে, we're out of the water. The value it is showing high. When it is inside water, low moisture content is required. Okay, so any doubt in this particular program? দেখো দীপ্তশিক তুমি বলছো যে পাবলিক ক্লাউড হতে পারে দেখো পাবলিক ক্লাউড ল্যাটেন্সিটা থাকবেই ঠিক আছে এবারে পাবলিক ক্লাউডের মধ্যে এটা কি প্রবলেমটা হচ্ছে সেটা বলাটা খুবই মুশকিল। ইট ইজ কোয়াইট ডিফিকাল্ট টু সে হোয়াট ইজ দ্য অ্যাকচুয়াল প্রবলেম, হোয়াট ইজ দ্য অ্যাকচুয়াল প্রবলেম, ওয়াই দ্য ডেটা ইজ গেটিং কালেক্টেড সো লেজিলি। ঠিক আছে, এত লেটেন্সি কেন হচ্ছে সেটা বলাটা কিন্তু একটা বিশাল বড় এমনও তো হতে পারে যে আমার সেন্সরটাতে প্রবলেম আছে, এটা তো অনেক পুরনো সেন্সর, এটাও হতে পারে দ্যাট দ্য সেন্সর ইজ কজিং দ্য প্রবলেম, রাইট? The internet connectivity might also be slow, the cloud server may also cause the problem. Are you getting the point? So all these things varies, or all these things may, means this matters. Okay, so any doubt with this with this project, with the single project uploading soil moisture sensor data to cloud? But I am not going to include this particular project into your certification. কেন বলো তো? এটা 90 days পরে এটা এক্সপায়ার করে যাবে, তখন তোমরা কলেজে দেখাতে পারবে না বা ইন্টারভিউতে দেখাতে পারবে না, you won't be able to present it in your interview. So this is just for the sake of practice. I will not include this particular thing in your project. Okay, this is a simple experiment that we did. So I'm not going to দেখো এখন still it is outside, still it is outside, but see the graph is falling down, the graph is falling down, the graph is falling down. See, again the graph is moving up. So there is a fault with the sensor also, there is a fault with the sensor also. Okay, so you have to buy a new sensor in order to get this correct readings. ঠিক আছে, apart from this আরো কারো কোনো ডাউট আছে? Do anybody has any problem? Tell me. হ্যালো, দীপ্তশ্রী কোনো অসুবিধা আছে প্রজেক্টটাতে? ঠিক আছে, তো তোমরা সিম্পলি এটাকে প্র্যাকটিস করতে পারো, ইউ ক্যান প্র্যাকটিস দিস। ওকে, এন্ড হু এলস ইজ প্রেজেন্ট ওভার? দেবজ্যোতি, দেবজ্যোতি কোনো অসুবিধা আছে, কোনো প্রবলেম, এনি প্রবলেম? Okay, okay, so the sensors, all these things, it matters a lot. Okay, I think there is a problem with the sensor also. Anyway, no issue, whatever we did, it accurately executed, that is the main task. Okay, so next we will start, okay, next I will start a project very soon. I will start a project today only. This project will be added to your, now I am getting আচ্ছা দেখতেছি আমি কিন্তু এটা লগ আউট করে দিচ্ছি, দেখে নাও ভাই, দেখো আমি এটা লগ আউট করে দিচ্ছি, সি। ঠিক আছে, এবার তুমি নিজের, এটা আর দরকার নেই, তুমি নিজের মনের মতন পাসওয়ার্ড চেঞ্জ করে নিও। ঠিক আছে, ইউ চেঞ্জ ইউর পাসওয়ার্ড অ্যাকর্ডিং টু ইউর উইশ। Okay, so next what we are going to do, next I will do a project that will be added or that will be allocated to you. Okay, but before the project I would like you that everybody take a break of 5 minutes because we have been working for 1 hour. Okay, take a break of 5 minutes, after that again we will appear over here just after 5 minutes to do this particular project or do a next project. Okay, let's take a break of 5 minutes. Hello. Hello. Okay. Hello. Is it audible? We are back. Let's start. Okay. চলো let's start. Yeah. অমৃতাক্ষ কেমন আছো? ছিলে কোথায় তুমি? Okay, no problem. Actually, একটু okay. So we did a program using the soil moisture. Okay, no problem. No problem, Abhitaksha. We just did a program right now using the soil moisture sensor data. ঠিক আছে? মেবি আমরা যে গ্রাফটা পেলাম একটু গ্রাফটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি মানে অকওয়ার্ড ইয়েতে আসছিল, ঠিক আছে? তো যেমন যেমন ময়েশ্চার রিসিভ করছে আর কি, আবার মনে হয় দেখো যেভাবে ময়েশ্চারটা রিসিভ করছে সেভাবে আসছে, সেন্সর প্রবলেম একটু হতে পারে, বাট আলটিমেটলি উই গট দা solution to this. Ultimately our experiment work. The next task is the next task is what we are going to do. The next task is what we are going to do. We are actually going to do a project. We are going to do a project for this. অমৃতাক্ষ কোনো আইডিয়া আছে তোমাদের কাছে? Any idea do you have? অমৃতাক্ষ, দীপ্তশিখ, do you have any idea for the projects? You can share with me right now. Any project? Weather report system. হ্যাঁ, weather report system হতে পারে। Weather report system in weather report system অমৃতাক্ষ we have to build a API. We have to build a API. We ourselves have to build the API in Google Sheet. We have to build the API in Google Sheet. আর তোমাদের কাছে কি মেশিন লার্নিং এর নলেজ আছে কারো কাছে? মেশিন লার্নিং? Machine learning? Do anybody has any knowledge of machine learning? If you have knowledge of machine learning, then we can do that. Then we can do, because after collecting the data using the what to say uh, digital DHT, digital humidity and temperature sensor. Okay, we have to actually connect it. We have to actually do what? We have to perform analytics on that, and we have to train an algorithm. After that only it is possible. Otherwise, it is not possible. Okay, so if you have a knowledge of machine learning, then it's perfect. It can be done. Then it can be done. Okay. The next project that we have, or that we will do today, the next project that we are going to do is soil smart agriculture system. The next project is smart agriculture system. It is smart agriculture, or you can say automatic irrigation system, whatever you can say, automatic irrigation system or smart agriculture, right? But it's better to say, give the name smart agriculture. I will give you a little bit of overview on this. IoT based smart agriculture and automatic irrigation system. IoT based smart agriculture system and automatic irrigation system. So this is going to be the project topic. Okay, this is going to be the project topic. So this is the project. Okay, this is the project. IoT based smart irrigation system. IoT based smart irrigation system. IoT based smart irrigation system, or you can also say smart agriculture. IoT based smart agriculture. Now, IoT based smart agriculture and automatic irrigation system. Here in this project, we are going to upload the we are going to upload the data. We are actually going to use a submersible water pump. We are going to use a submersible water pump. Okay, it is a 3.3 to 5 volt submersible water pump, and we are going to use a soil moisture sensor. When the soil moisture will be reduced, water pump will turn on. When the soil moisture will be enough, water pump will automatically turn off. Getting the point what I am trying to say? So the material required is Node MCU, soil moisture sensor. I will take one LET, a 5 volt relay module, DC motor pump, wires, breadboard. Okay, these are the things that we require. These are the 3 things that we require. So I will tell you the specification of this project. The features and specification of this project is that the output will be analog output, and the operation voltage for that will be 3.3 to 5.5 volt, or 3.3 volt to 5 volt, and a DC motor that is 3.3 to 5 volt or 3.3 to 6 volt, micro submersible mini water pump. It is called micro submersible mini water pump. It operates on 3.3 volt to 6 volt. Okay, now it can throw out 120 liters of water per hour at very low current. Getting the point? So today we are going to make this design. Right? So I will show you how to actually make this particular project. That is the smart agriculture system. Okay, smart agriculture system. Now the next is First I'm going to show you the circuit diagram. I'm going to show you the circuit diagram. So this is a very important project. So the circuit diagram. Wait, let me think about it a bit. Wait, give me 2 minutes. Let me think about this circuit diagram. To okay, I have come to a conclusion that তোমরা শুনতে পাচ্ছ তো মৃতাক্ষ দেবজ্যোতি everybody? Okay, see, দেখো সার্কিট ডায়াগ্রাম কিছু এইভাবে হবে, something like this. This is the soil moisture sensor. Okay, this soil moisture sensor is connected to the amplifier. That means the analog to digital converter to analog to digital converter. Now if this is our node MCU, this is our node MCU. Okay, so node MCU connected to ground and 5 volt. Connected to 5 volt. Connected to ground and 5 volt. Done. Very nice. Now এখানে একটা জিনিস দেখো, just have a look. This will be connected to the VCC. This will be connected to the ground, and this A0 will be connected to the A0. So this is for A0. This is for A0. Eta for VCC. This is for Okay, ground. VCC ground A0. Getting the point? And this is the soil moisture. This is soil moisture sensor. Soil moisture. This is the soil moisture sensor. Now this node MCU here 5 volt relay. High volt relay. High volt relay. Okay, 5 volt relay. Now this 5 volt relay, how you need to connect this? কি করে connect হবে 5 volt relay? How this 5 volt relay will be connected? দাঁড়াও. First, this is the water pump. This is the water pump. This is the water pump. Roughly, I am just drawing the diagram. Water pump. So this pump तो ग्राउंड में दे देते हैं भाई. चलो एक तो ग्राउंड में डाल दिया. एक तो जाएगा इधर कॉमन पोर्ट. पोर्ट में ओके. अब देखो एक जो है 1 wait. One end of the pump went to the ground, one went to the figure. This 5 volt relay, this NO normally open. This normally open. कब जाएगा? This normally open. It is going to the normally open. It is go to the 5 volt. It is going to the 5 volt. It is going to the 5. Okay. Going to 5 volt. Now NC जो है NC तो सिर्फ ऐसे छोड़ देते हैं. Now दूसरी तरफ से हमको 3 पिन मिलता है. हमको एक पिन जाएगा V इन में, V पिन जाएगा ग्राउंड, ग्राउंड 1 pin will go to D0. That is W0. It will go to D0. That's it. Now tell me whether the circuit diagram is clear to you or not. It is. So clear? This is the circuit diagram that we are going to make. Okay, so our diagram is completed. Our next task, what is our next task? Our next task is to write the code. Then we will connect this. We will connect this afterwards. Our next task. What is our next task? What is the next task? The next task is to write the code. This is our first task. Until and unless we write the code, what will happen? Let's go to the file. Let's go to new. Okay. Save this file on desktop and at smart agriculture. Smart agriculture. Smart agriculture. Okay, smart agriculture. Right. So this is going to be the very interesting project. Very interesting project. আচ্ছা অমৃতাক্ষ বাকিরা কোথায় আছে? বাকি স্টুডেন্টরা? অমৃতাক্ষ বাকি স্টুডেন্টরা কোথায় আছে? খুব ভালো প্রজেক্ট এটা হচ্ছিল কিন্তু। Has include ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h. Okay, no problem, ঠিক আছে, চলো কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। So ESP8266 has include ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h. Okay, next is string API. So API key is required. API key is not required. So const char server, the server তো এখানে লাগবে না, server is also not required. Okay, no problem. SSID and password is required. Const char SSID equal to const char pass. Okay, so this is the thing. This is the thing. We have discussed these few things. Very nice. We have arranged for the password. We have arranged for the SSID. Okay. So that's it. It is already done. Already done. Now we require a moisture in const int moisture pin. Moisture pin is going to be A0. Const int moisture pin const int is going to be A0 is going to be the moisture pin, D0 is going to be the motor pin. Okay, now to 10 seconds we are going to define 10 seconds. So unsigned দাঁড়াও int হবে না তো long হবে তো unsigned long the kind of unsigned থাকবে not required. Okay, isn't it? So const int char SSID const char password. Okay. Now moisture pin defined, motor pin defined. Now Wi-Fi client I created object. Okay, next is plot moisture percentage. Okay, moisture percentage. Inside the setup, void setup, serial dot begin 115200 115200. We will give a delay for better simulation. একটা delay দিলাম. So pin mode আমরা মোটর পিনটাকে আউটপুট করব, তাই তো? So motor pin comma going to be now motor pin. Now digital write motor pin right motor is going to be low. Digital pin going to be low. Okay, next is Wi-Fi begin dot SSID while status not while Wi-Fi dot equal to WL underscore connected file dot status not okay, while Wi-Fi dot status underscore connected. So let's give a deal WL and serial dot print going to print key going to print dot okay, and it is print okay, it's going to print Wi-Fi connected. The Wi-Fi till here it was very easy and we knew the code. That's why I wrote মানে হড়হড় করে লিখে দিলাম. We next knew all these things. Inside void loop, what we have to do? We have to grab the moisture 100 moisture pin okay, and this moisture pin will be divided by 1023.0. Why? Because this is the maximum value and it is going to be multiplied by 100.00. Why? Because of our converting it into percentage. Right, converting it into percentage. Now next is wait, দাঁড়াও আমি এখানে দেখি এখানে কোনো টাইমিংস বা কিছু ডিসপ্লে করেছি কি না, কিছু তো করিনি। এরা the soil moisture percentage. Serial print ln moisture percentage. Serial dot print moisture percentage is okay. Moisture percentage is serial dot print moisture percentage. This one moisture percentage. This percentage control B. This moisture percentage has been percentage by. This is the percentage. This is the moisture. So moisture percentage I just printed that this is okay. This is the moisture. Okay. Now I am going to write percentage. Write that if percentage is less than okay, digital write moisture motor pin is going to be high. If the moisture per is less than 50, motor pin is going to be high. Okay, it is going to be high. Okay. That's it. If I'm going to copy this. If is greater than equal to moisture pin to 50, then this digital write motor pin is going to be what? Then this is low. It is going to be low. Motor pin is going to be low. Okay, it is going to be low. Okay, so we did till here. Okay, it's going to be low. Now we need to send this data to server again. Means again we need to send this data to the cloud. Okay, we need to send this data to cloud. It's my what to say. Otherwise it will not be called a IoT project. Otherwise it will not be called IoT project until and unless we connect it to the internet. So this time I am show you with the help of ThingSpeak server, not with ask sensor. Ask sensor টা ঠিক হচ্ছে না, ওটা ঠিক নেই, ছেড়ে দাও। We will actually do the project using the think okay. We'll do this project using ThingSpeak. So things it is also very nice, and we'll be able to do our project very nicely with the help of ThingSpeak server. Okay, not a very big deal, right? Okay, but just tell me Do anybody has any problem with the codes? Hello? Any problems with the codes? Is it clear to everybody? হ্যালো অমৃতাক্ষ, বলছি ক্লিয়ার হচ্ছে? ঠিক আছে দেবজ্যোতি, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই তো? তো এতদূর কোডিং আমরা খুব ইজিলি, খুব ভালোভাবে আমরা করে দিয়েছি। উই হ্যাভ ডান দিস until and unless code the data to the server, we won't be able to call it as a IoT project. ওকে হচ্ছে না, সার্ভারের ডেটা আপলোড করতে দেখিয়ে দেবো আজকেই দেবজ্যোতি, যেটা তোমরা বলবে। আজকে দেখাবো না পরের দিন দেখাবো, যেটা তোমরা বলবে। দেবজ্যোতি, অমৃতাক্ষ কি বলছো? shall I show it today? shall I show it today? হ্যাঁ না না বলছি, হ্যাঁ অমৃতাক্ষ, আই এম টেলিং দ্যাট shall I how to upload the data into the server? Shall I show it today only or shall I show it in the next day? That was I was asking. আজকে দেখাবো না নেক্সট ডে দেখাবো? কেন কি আজকে অনেকটা বেশি হয়ে যাচ্ছে না তো? ওকে 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 ঠিক আছে, তাহলে আমি গ্রুপে আমি পোস্ট করছি ইয়েটা, আজকে টপিকের নামটা। ঠিক আছে, তাহলে তোমরা অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা দিয়ে এক একটা করে বেরিয়ে যাও তাহলে। গিভ ইউর অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স। ওকে ওকে, আই উইল শো ইট অন দ্য নেক্সট ডে। ওকে, ইউ গিভ ইউর অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স and then you leave the class. Okay, give the attendance and then you leave the class. Okay 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 okay, thank you everybody. Thank you Amritakshu, thank you Aniruddha, thank you Debojyoti, thank you everybody. Take care of yourself everyone, everybody take care of yourself.